Welcome everyone, my name is Gloria Ward and I want to welcome you to this amazing presentation for iMarkets Live. While you're watching this video, I want you to expand your mind and really think about your possibilities with us. Now, this presentation is designed to give you a clear understanding of who we are and what we can offer you. So pay close attention because I'm going to ask you a couple of questions along the way. And speaking of questions, here's one for you. Now, what if you can turn 2 minutes a day of your time into a full-time income? And what if you can get multi-million-dollar earners working full-time on your business for pennies on a dollar? What you're about to discover in the next few minutes is you will learn how to make a full-time income from one of the biggest industries in the world without a second wasted learning new things, and how starting today, right now, you can turn 2 minutes a day of your time into a full-time income from home with just a computer and the internet. Now, here's my question, and I really want you to think about this. Who is the most successful person you know? Imagine that person working for you full time for free. Well, I have to tell you something. Here at iMarkets Live, we have just that. We have successful traders who are in charge of multi-million-dollar profiles, and they will be working hard for you every day for free. We have Chris Terry, who is our founder of iMarkets Live, and you will hear a little bit more about him in a minute, a little later. Nick, who started his own trading career in the 90s, has coached and mentored many successful traders in the marketplace today. And Suzanne began trading also in the 90s and has been on CNBC, Bloomberg, and Top Step Trader, and has also mentored hundreds of traders. Then we have Luis. Luis was a contractor for 20 years, and Christopher Terry, our CEO, showed Luis how to trade with just $2,000, and now he too is involved in multi-million-dollar trading. Luis' story is special because it shows how you can take a small investment, some belief, and good coaching, and eventually start living the life that you want. Now, our CEO, Christopher Terry, has built a worldwide following over the years and has traveled extensively throughout Europe, Asia, and South America. And he has been teaching people how to create financial independence. Christopher Terry has been a full-time trader since 1998 in the futures, Forex, and equity markets. Since 2001, Terry has been a favorite speaker at many of the major conferences such as TradeStation, themoneyshow.com, and the Trade Expo. Now, here's another question for you. Now, in our industry, we see juice companies, weight loss, and coffee companies say that they make $1 million or $1 billion a year. But I want you to take a look at this slide and look at the trading industry. The average daily, not yearly or monthly, but the daily trading volume is $5 trillion. Now that's bigger than the New York Stock Exchange, the Tokyo Stock Exchange, and the London Stock Exchange. So what does that mean for you? That means that you have a great opportunity to build wealth in an industry that is producing trillions of dollars on a daily basis. Now, doesn't that make you excited? Now, so let's talk about what opportunity we have offering you here at iMarkets Live. We have 3 products. We have our signal service, we have our live trading rooms, and we have our wealth education. Now, this is a graphical representation of our signal service and how they work. At the top, where you see 3 people together, Those individuals represent our expert traders. They are the ones that are going to be that's going to be doing all the hard work for you. They are going to interpret the charts, they're going to interpret the markets, and they're going to send out a buy and sell signal to our server. And those signals are then sent to your computer, and you have the option to buy and sell as well. Now, if you're asking if you need to be stuck at the computer all day long, the answer is absolutely not. It only takes 2 minutes to set up your computer and you're done. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to show you proof. Our CEO, Chris Terry, did a video testing it out. And take a look.
Bottom screen, this is called the remote desktop server. It basically, and I'm going to open it up, is a desktop in the cloud. All right? This right, that is in Chicago. It could be in Russia. It could be in California. It doesn't matter. It's all on virtual servers. This up
Chris,
here, this one's logged in Pennsylvania. Yes.
Are you saying those could be 3 different people? Like
Yes.
the
Yeah.
top left could be Jerry, right
Yes.
could be Nancy, bottom one could be
Yes.
Paul?
Well, that's what I'm gonna explain. Yes. So
Okay,
just letting you put in the field, then I'll explain it. So this is another remote desktop server. It's basically a desktop cloud, just as you would be anywhere on your in the future. It's a really phenomenal. So anyway, this is in Pennsylvania, and this platform right here is in my home. It's in New York. So right now, this is the master computer, and when we buy, it basically buys for everybody instantaneously. Did you see that? I clicked buy, and the person in Philadelphia and in my home in New York got the execution from the server in Illinois instantaneously. It is, watch this, watch how fast. Send. So it doesn't matter anywhere in the world. When we trade for our room, you are, and I'm going to click my fingers, instantaneously plugged in. You are buying and selling at exactly pretty much what we are also. And it's within a fraction of a second. And
so does a person need to know how to do this?
No, that's the cool part. So if you look up at the chart on the top, it's trading with or without you being there. The chart on the bottom, it's trading with or without you being there. So we're doing the trades on our end, and if you're plugged in, you get the same trades. And when we decide to exit, you exit also. My computer's with all this memory.
So, Chris, are you
Yes.
saying you'll be trading people's accounts?
No. We're trading our accounts. I'm going to do everything up on a demo so make sure everything stays a level playing field, like I'm showing you right here. We are sending a signal only. So it's the same as me saying to our live room. Right now, we're looking at the EUR USD. It's a buy. We're setting up. We're buying. It gives them the opportunity in the room to buy it also. Or if they're plugged into the signals, all they're doing is plugging in. You're choosing to take that signal, and you're buying when we're buying. So if we lose, you lose. We win, you win. We don't trade, you don't trade. When we trade, you trade. Basically, it's the markets. You are basically trading along with us, except I am the indicator. My team is the indicator for you. So essentially, it's not an autopilot. You're not putting it on, and the computer's not trading for you. You actually have a team of experts with, I can't even put the amount of years together, maybe 100 years of experience behind it, given those signals, when to buy, when to sell. And we keep the risk very small. And as you see how fast it is, it's instantaneous. I mean, this is the most amazing thing I've come across in my life, being able to take this and share it with the masses globally with a very low entry. I think that's pretty exciting what I just showed here.
Now, IML Trade Signal Services gives you access to the same buy and sell signals sent from our expert traders in the live trading room. It only takes 2 minutes a day of your time There's no learning curve whatsoever. You play at the highest levels from day one, and you leverage the expertise of highly successful traders. And there's also a low barrier to enter in the industry. Now, our next product is our live training room, and here is where it gets interesting. You will be able to look over the shoulders of our expert traders to see exactly what they're doing each day to win the markets. You will get a step-by-step, easy to follow explanation of the trades in real time. You also get detailed explanations of the thought process behind each and every single trade that is placed. You also get answers to your questions live in real time. And you also get a chance to be a part of our global community right from home. And lastly, we have our wealth education. And this is powerful. Now, remember I told you I was going to ask you questions. So here is one. When have you ever been able to take a product that you are marketing and truly become an expert with it? Think about it. With the juice company, the coffee company, or the weight loss company you were with, when you had to market the product, you needed a credible source like a doctor or a nutritionist or others to give you final approval before you went out and marketed it, because you do not hold the credentials. Well, here at iMarkets Live, if you commit yourself to learning and using the power of our wealth education and the knowledge of our successful traders, you can walk away with a marketable skill and compete in an industry that trades $5 trillion on a daily basis. Now, isn't that exciting to know? And I really want you to think about that. Next, we have our demo account, and our demo account allows you to practice before you use your own money. We give you $50,000 in virtual dollars that you can use to start trading. Here you get to get a feel of the signal service and also the live trading room without using your own money. Now, with everything that I just said, there's always some common questions that come up, and here are some. Is this legal? And the answer is absolutely yes, it is. We do not have access to your brokerage account. We have no access to your username and password. We are just sending you a buy and sell signal, and you make the choice to trade. We do not speak about averages. So when people say, how much money do you average? We do not speak on it because everyone's success is different. And people say, Chris, since you're so successful, why are you doing this? And the answer that he gives over and over again is that he is passionate about helping people become financially independent. And he loves to help and mentor others. And iMarkets Live is proof of that. So you might be thinking, what if I don't have the money to trade? Well, if you don't have the money to trade, I want you to listen to me very closely because you're about to hear something jaw-dropping. Now, remember, we cannot make no income claims. Success is different for everyone, so it's based on your goals and your plans you have for you and your family's life and the success that you would like to achieve. Here at iMarkets Live, we created a referral network. And this referral network allows you to build a successful business and make money to trade or live the lifestyle you always wanted. Now, we created our Grand Entrance Lifestyle Package, and this is the only package available for a limited time. The package includes a prime position in our 3x8 matrix, 2 months of executive membership, which includes access to our live trading room, our live training and signal service, a ticket to our live event held in Las Vegas, and the first 500 visionaries will be placed in our company advertising rotator. Now that means that we here at iMarkets Live will place your website in the company rotator. We will market your website for you, and you will start to receive leads for your business. And there's also a fast bonus of $400 for your personals. Now, at our Las Vegas event that we're having in September, which is the 20th through the 21st, we're going to give away 25 MacBooks complete with leather logo bags. Our top 10 producers and their guests will be invited to have dinner with all of our founders, and we're going to have more surprises, contests, and giveaways. The kicker is that you must be present to win. You must be at the live event to win any of these prizes. Now, our live event also comes with a party bonus. The event party bonus will be paid out at the event. If you refer 2 people, we're going to pay you $200. If you refer 6, you're going to get $800. If you refer 9, you'll get $1,700. And here's how it works. You personally refer 3, you get $1,200 plus a $200 bonus, and that's $1,400. You refer 6, you get $2,400, an $800 bonus, and $3,200. You personally refer 9, you get $3,600 plus a $1,700 bonus, which is $5,300. Now, here's how our 3x3 freedom formula works. You tell 3 friends about the wonderful products iMarkets Live have to offer, and in turn, those 3 friends tell 3 of their friends, and now you created a network. The iMarkets Live 3x8 matrix allows an associate to refer 3 frontline associates, and it pays you 8 levels deep. The executive package, which we're offering right now, has a monthly of $247. It pays 7% on 8 levels and 1% on level 9. Now, level 9 is a bonus level, which will pay out 1% bonus. And to activate the matrix, all you have to do is personally refer 2 associates. Now, in order to receive a commission from us, you must personally refer 2 independent associates. You refer 2, you unlock levels 1 through 4. You refer 6, you unlock levels 5 through 6. You refer 9, you unlock level 7. You refer 12, you unlock level 8. You refer 15, and you reach the bonus level, which is the 9th level, and you see how much money that pays out. But even if you refer 2 and unlock levels 1 through 4, you can actually see that the money you'll be getting will be some serious money. Now you're saying, why would we create this network? Because we want you to truly experience financial freedom. Now, if you look at our competition, they charge thousands of dollars for one-day seminars to get programs or even products as outlined here in this slide. And as we all know, once you go home and once you leave, you forget everything you learned and you feel like you wasted your money. Well, if you join iMarkets Live today, right now, you'll get a limited founder's position. The first 500 will be placed in the company advertising rotator. You will get a ticket to our live event, and you will get a prime position in our 3x8 matrix. Now, you will also get access to our grand entrance lifestyle package. And this package will give you 2 months of executive membership, which includes the live trading room, the live training, and the signal service, the ticket to the live event in Vegas. The first 500 visionaries will be placed in the company rotator, and there's a fast acting bonus of $400 for your personals. And remember, you will be placed in a prime position in the 3x8 matrix. Now, if we added all of those things together, the regular price that you will be paying for these services will be $17,991. But of course, you will not pay that price at all. If you get started with iMarkets Live today, you will get access to our Grand Entrance Lifestyle Package, access to our training room, access to our signal service, a ticket to our VIP event in Vegas, and you will also get our marketing training and our trading training, all for $1,500. Now, I know your jaw is dropping. And I know that you are excited about this opportunity, and I know you want to go ahead and sign up now. So what I want you to do is I want you to get with the person who recommended this presentation to you, and I want you to tell them one of three things. I want you to tell them that I'm in, that you're ready to go, you're ready to sign up today, and you're ready to start making money. Or you want to tell them that you have some questions, and I want you to get your questions answered so that you can actually go ahead and join us. And if this is not for you, just tell the person I recommended to you, thanks, but no thanks. So it's been a pleasure presenting this to you, and I will look for you on the inside.